Welcome to Parul Ka Zaika. Today I am going to make chaat katori. Click subscribe button and bell icon so that you get the instant notifications of my new upcoming videos. And to make this recipe, the ingredients will require are 200 grams all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon semolina, 1 boiled potato chopped into squares, 1 bowl of boiled chickpeas, 1 bowl of sprouted boiled green beans, 1 onion finely chopped, 1 bowl pomegranate, 100 grams sweet yogurt, 1 bowl green chutney, 1 bowl sweet chutney, 1 bowl nylon sev, 1 bowl coriander leaves, 8 to 10 sev puris, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon roasted cumin seeds powder, 1 teaspoon black salt, 1 teaspoon chaat masala, salt to taste, oil and 1/4 cup lukewarm water. First, in a bowl, put all-purpose flour, semolina, 3 tablespoons oil, salt and mix well. Now take the mixed flour in your palm and close your fist. And if it takes the shape of your closed fist, it means you can proceed to prepare the dough. Now put water according to the need and prepare soft dough. Now cover it and keep it at least for 10 minutes. Now take little dough and start rolling it into small chapati. Now with the help of fork, we'll prick it randomly so that it does not puff up. Now take one small bowl and place the prepared chapati over the back side of it. Now turn the bowl upside down and remove the extra dough from the upper side. Now put the flattened dough along with the bowl in the frying pan. Once the bowl comes out, remove it. We need to fry this on a medium flame until golden brown and crispy. Once it's golden brown, remove it. Prepare all the katoris the same way. Next, in a bowl, put boiled chickpeas, sprouts, potatoes, crumbled puris, black salt, red chili powder, cumin seeds powder, chaat masala and mix well and prepare stuffing. Now in prepared katoris, put 2 spoons of prepared stuffing, yogurt, green chutney, sweet chutney, sev, pomegranate, onion, coriander leaves and chaat masala. Prepare all the katori chaat the same way. Yummy and tangy katori chaat is ready to serve. If you have liked this recipe, then please don't forget to click subscribe button on this side and this side click to watch my other videos. Soon I'll upload more recipes. Till then, stay foodie and stay healthy.